How to update or replace a Dropbox file without changing its link. So let me go ahead and first create a link for this file right here. How to insert a chart. Click on share, click on the settings cog right here, and then we'll create a link for viewing, right? Come here, click on create link, and then we should have a link within about 2 more seconds. So to creating a view link, I'm going to copy this up, and let's open this up in a new tab. Now close this. So what you basically need to do, guys, is you need to upload another file with the same exact name right here. And that will replace this file and it will retain the same link. Let me go ahead and show you. All right, so here is the file. I'll go ahead and drag it right here. Click on copy. And as you can see, it is uploading and it will basically replace this file right here. As you can see, no other file was added. Instead, it replaced this one, right? Now, if I come here to this link that we had opened, if I refresh this, you should see that same file right here. As you can see, really easy and simple, guys.